uLondiwe Mkhwanazi ubhekene nenkinga yokukhishwa endlini imoto noma inini njengoba engakwazanga ukukhokha kulezinyanga ezintathu ezedlule. Ungomunye wabahlengikazi abasebenza esibhedlela iDr George Mukhari kanye nakwezinye izibhedlela abangakaze baholelwe kusukela kuqala izinkontileka zabo ngoMbasa.
I can't afford to buy food for my parents because I'm the breadwinner at home. I'm the only one who's working. So I couldn't even pay my daughter's school fees and other 2 kids for my siblings. They're also not going to school. I don't have food, I don't have electricity, I don't have petrol, and I didn't even pay for my car, my house.
Abanye oza kwabo kulesi sibhedlela eGarankuwa bathi uhulumeni udlale ngabo.
I can't even afford to come to work every day. They want us to be productive at work. We cannot be productive while we are starving.
We are given reasons that the reason we cannot be paid is because we are not appointed. We do not have posts.
Ka di 16 June, Panyaza Lusufi posted many posts. What about us, Rona, people who have been working here? We've been here since 2020. Nothing is happening to us.
Umnyango wezempilo uthi siyadumaza isinqumo sekomiti lezemali sokwehlisa imali yesibonelelo sezisebenzi ze-COVID-19 isuka ku-1.1 billion randi kuya ezigidini ezingamakhulu ayisithupha zamarandi.